Bro, check this out. This truck is straight up torn apart.
Oh, no way. My whole freaking front end is torn apart. I can't even drive this thing. What the hell? Who the hell would do this shit?
You think the crackheads did this?
Bro, it was probably one of them gremlins in the cracking cabinet, not gonna lie.
Hey guys, let's go ahead and introduce this hoss. Go ahead, Julio.
What up, y'all? I'm Julio. This is my 2005 GMC Sierra Z71 in Victory Red. And in this video,
we're gonna go ahead and do a complete 3.5 lowering kit with brand new suspension all around, new brake pads, new rotors, you name it, we're doing it. Make sure you guys stay tuned, let's get it. What you guys didn't see on video is us tear apart this whole front end. We wire brushed the driver's side and painted it. We still got to do a little bit to the other side, so you guys are going to check that out.
What's going on, y'all? We're back here with the crew cab, and today we're going to be taking off that lower control arm just so we could get more clearance to clean up that frame, and we'll take y'all with us. Stay tuned.
Bro just smashed it. Oh, it's bleeding.
It's bleeding.
Bro just smashed his finger, pulling off the control arm from this torsion bar, and this caliper, and his finger got sandwiched in between the two. Nail?
Yeah.
Ah, fuck.
Oh yeah?
Bro's suffering. Let's see what it looks like, bro. Damn! So we got this bump stop bracket all cut off, and we flap disced it so it's all nice and smooth. We're gonna go ahead and start wire brushing this entire frame now. So what's happening, y'all? This is where we're at right now before it's starting to get dark out. This side is majority cleaned off. We just have to do some little detail with the drill in here and here. We're gonna hit this once the battery charges on the Milwaukee grinder. We'll hit it over here with the grinder as well. Get up in there. We'll get over here. And then that should bring us to the painting step, which hopefully we could get a coat of paint on this before we get out of here. So that way it's drying overnight and going into tomorrow morning. So that way, you know, it's baking halfway through the day or most of the day. And then we could go ahead and start slapping parts on here. Nice little shot of the GMC crew cab and the GMC regular cab short bed. This is Julio's truck. This is my lady's truck. Sun's starting to go down. So yeah, most likely you guys are going to see us either painting this or tomorrow when we get the rest of it done. We do have this sway bar right here. What we're going to do is clean it up, clean the brackets up, possibly replace the bushings if they're available locally, and paint this possibly to match the truck.
What is going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be showing y'all what we got for Clifford. We're gonna be dropping it on like a 4.6 drop, I believe. First up, we're gonna show you guys what we got from Reklez. We got ourselves an underbed notch from them. I highly recommend this kit. Like, look at them welds. Like, just who wouldn't want that? We also got some Belltech Street Performance shocks from them. These are really good quality as well. We got the front and back. We also got these 2-inch drop spindles over here. The bro just gave these to me because he was gonna use them on the Denali build, but the Denali was just too low. So we're gonna utilize them for this truck. First up, we got us some upper control arms with some guide pins and bolts. We got us a brand new hub assembly, some sway link, and both lower left and right control arms. We got us some top-notch CV axles. Alrighty, y'all, that was it for the unboxing process. Next, we're gonna get some clips of us putting in the suspension, all these new parts. Hope you guys enjoy that. This truck really did need that because it's so cooked, bro. Like, we couldn't even get the knuckle off. We had to cut so much stuff off. Torsion bar cross member, we painted it up so it looks really nice up under here. That was Mo's idea. He pushed me to do it.
We got the torsion bar cross member in with the keys and the torsion bars. We got to go get an unloading tool so we could actually get these cranked up. And then we'll go ahead and start installing some front end parts.
So the bro just got off work. He came back and some crazy ass shit happened. We don't even know if it's like because it was windy today or what, but our damn window broke on the crew cab. We're gonna have to replace it. At least we have the replacement part, but that shit sucks.
So we accidentally forgot to change the pads on the Denali Biscoff. So I'm going to show you guys what happens when you don't change your pads. You get a grooved rotor like this. You guys wouldn't even believe it. We just made the biggest mistakes in our entire lives.
I may not have a brain, gentlemen, but I have an idea.
We bought 2-wheel drive shocks for this 4-wheel drive truck. This is our other 2-wheel drive truck right here with the same exact shocks. You see how they mount down here? Exact same ones as these. User error when ordering these, but you can see it mounts different right here. This is how we're looking up in here. Got these new drop shocks installed. Everything is brand new. It's looking a whole lot better up in here. It looks like a 2025. So we got this front part all torqued. We are back. We are live. We are making the magic happen. We're getting this rear all assembled. We're getting it underbed notch from Reklez. Got that all mocked up for right now. And we're gonna go ahead and cut just this exhaust bracket off, and then we already cut off some extra part of the exhaust that was in the way. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is start just mocking everything up. We're gonna start loosening the diff, get that raised up. We're gonna go ahead and start getting this burned in.
Alright, y'all, we got a butt ton of freaking progress today. Working non-stop. We're officially notched up in the back. It's looking so good. Stopped us a little bit because this damn shackle wants to be a pain in the butt. So we're gonna try to cut it off. Here the other side came off like nothing supposedly. So this driver's side is all installed. Got everything in. Everything is torqued. So the front end is more than ready. We just gotta go get an alignment once it's done. It's looking so good. Everything is brand new. Repainted the sway bar and the torsion bar. Homie did an awesome job on the notch. Looks so good, bro. Can't get any better than that. This one was real easy to install since it's a Reklez.
You can go?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Yeah, so this has been a crazy one, y'all. Unfortunately, we had a seized bushing, or a bolt that got seized inside the bushing. So we're actually gonna have to cut it off. But the notch is burned in. We just gotta finish plating it, and then we'll dial it in, install our flip kit, torque everything down, and it's gonna be the drop for y'all.
Check out our new underbed notch from Reklez. It's fully welded up. Our welds are not perfect, but we were using a Harbor Freight welder. The front is all assembled and torqued up. We just need to zip tie the ABS sensor and then throw the wheels on. Before you comment about my rusty rotors, you better stay tuned because we're gonna be doing a big brake upgrade here soon.
Okay, MOOG.
And we just finished my 2005 GMC Sierra drop kit, full suspension on the front. We'll just let you guys check that out. This is why you keep your stuff safe from the crackheads, or else you're gonna end up like me.